The politicians have a duty to regulate it, but in the interest of the people and by consulting with the people. Any other emerging issues like I have heard over the last 2-3 days, including matters relating to what the Speaker said or did not say, speak to one serious thing, that we have failed to understand what we are supposed to do, and we're excited about rationalization regardless of the consequences. And I want to invite every citizen to focus. Coffee as the strategic crop is at the nerve center of the key livelihoods of our people. It should never be a divisive thing. And every stakeholder, including members of parliament, the presiding officers in parliament, must roll back their energies to focusing on critical legislation that will benefit our common peoples. The trading of insults across will not help our cause. I am a coffee farmer myself. I was educated on this crop. I know how critical, how sensitive the value chain, how sensitive the market is on quality, how sensitive the market is on all matters of quality and standards that you cannot achieve through a red tape system in a ministry like a MAIF. So I am inviting the minister to eat humble pie, climb down his high horse, come to the house, tail between legs, and withdraw this bill. There's no amount of explaining that will make it decent. There's no amount of exchange and the trading of insults will make any process. There's no presiding officer that will sit in that chair and preside over this matter and remain